what you're seeing now are videos submitted by our customers who got their dash cams from us at BlackboxMyCar. We get dash cam footage submitted by our customers almost every week that capture the craziest things while they're on the road. And that's why we're so committed into ensuring that every vehicle on the road has a dash cam in it, because your protection is important to us. Here are the top 3 reasons why you should invest in a premium dash cam in 2026. So the first reason, it's pretty obvious, but it's about your insurance. On average, for a hit and run, the insurance deductible can be anywhere between $500 to $1,000. If you're already expecting to pay that much for your deductible, why not just buy a dash cam in the first place? If you're unlucky, it will literally pay itself off by the second or third incident. Now, in order to capture those hit and runs, obviously you're gonna need a dash cam with parking mode. This is a feature that's rarely available in entry-level dash cams, and even if it is, it's often not that reliable, because at the end of the day, it's not just a software thing, it's a hardware thing. You gotta make sure that all the components in a dash cam work together in order to give you the long-term reliability that you need. Meaning the image sensor, the processors, the supercapacitors, all the other features, components need to work together in order to protect you for a really long time. And most importantly, heat dissipation. The longer a dash cam records, the hotter it gets. So you want to make sure a dash cam has good heat dissipation in order to give you that long-term protection. Number 2, reliability during an incident. Take this with a grain of salt because obviously I'm biased, but just the other day, my friend told me that someone bumped the back of her car and left a scratch on it. However, her dash cam was only able to capture a minute of the incident, only after the scratch happened. And because it wasn't angled correctly, it didn't even capture the license plate. Here's the thing. Most of the time, customers only come to us for a premium dash cam after they've been burned by a cheap entry-level dash cam that they purchased off of Amazon. Check out all these Reddit comments from people who share similar stories. You don't want to be the sucker who only finds out after too. And on the other hand, let's move on to our third thing, which has to do with false claims and fraud. These days, we're living in a period of time where the demand for accountability is at an all-time high, but taking accountability, well, that's an all-time low. People have been caught lying on camera about all sorts of things. And if there's no camera footage, it's becoming a he said, she said situation that goes nowhere. And even if there is camera footage, there's still a debate as to figuring out what actually happened. We're looking at you, ICE. There's also scams, road rage, and all sorts of things that you wouldn't expect. Let's not forget about those as well. With all that, it makes logical sense that you want to keep yourself protected. Dash cams these days have become so technologically advanced that they have all the features that you need to stay protected on and off the road. And because it's so easy to use and highly reliable, accessibility is at an all-time high. Dash cams these days can record 24/7. If you have parking mode, it can record when you're not there. And if you have cloud, you can even get alerted by your dash cam when you're away from your car right on your phone. Premium dash cams now offer the best protection there has ever been, and you can get yours now at BlackboxMyCar. And if something has happened to you on the road and you have dash cam footage of it, submit it to us at BlackboxMyCar. We'd love to feature it in an upcoming video. And if you submit anything, we're happy to give you a $20 gift card to BlackboxMyCar.